Yes. Welcome back to the Cherry Garage.
Welcome back.
It's your boys.
It's your boys.
JK7 and Alec P. Pfeiffer.
Who are you?
Keaton.
Oh, hey. So we can do an introduction to the Project E36, the Red Rocket. Man,
What's up, guys?
today we have the Red Rocket.
This is hurting. God, I
Hurt
want to
my
go to
feelings
bed.
like you ain't brush your teeth.
Come on, beans. Yeah.
Bitch. I'm gonna knock your ass out, you ugly motherfucker. Welcome to the Cherry Garage. This is my car. This is my car. That's my car. This is my car.
Oh shit. Put those sunglasses on. It's bright in here.
It is bright.
This is my car.
Welcome back to the Cherry Garage. Jacob Case here with his new, but old, Red Rocket. Tell us a little bit about your Red Rocket, Jacob.
Well, this is an E36
We know that. Tell us more.
BMW. It's Hellrot Red.
Keep going.
Okay, and it needs a new head gasket.
A little faster.
A little faster. Okay. We have a new multi-layer steel head gasket.
Look at that. Get the little angle on it. Look
You
at
can
that. Oh
you can
my-
see the multi-layers of steel and the
Yes.
multi-layer steel head gasket. That's his
that
multi-layer steel.
on the inside is thick.
You can see it's very thick
Gummy thick.
in the middle.
Yeah.
In the engine, in between the head and the block.
Nice. You know
Head
that.
gasket.
Good job. Next up on the list of things
Next
that you've
up.
bought this week.
Oh yeah, so this is the new stuff. The project.
Alec, get in here.
Did you just start ripping shit
Get over
out of
here.
the box?
Yeah.
So we have new
These are nice. Check these out.
new headlights.
Wow.
They're the Euro glass shells. They got the little halos, and they're the whatever the HID bright lights
Let the viewers know what Euro means.
from Europe.
Nice.
This thing is really messed up.
What's
It's
that
all
called?
bent. Nose piece.
The unibrow?
The grill. I mean, you know, you can call it a lot of things. But I got a new. Well, I have one that's not bent. It's over here.
Okay.
Right here.
Woo!
Obviously.
It's white.
Well, yeah, we're gonna.
Shades are off. He doesn't like it.
He doesn't like the shades.
New fender?
That's for that car.
Is that CMD?
CMD's nuts.
Ha! I was about to fuck you.
This is a diffuser.
What's that do?
Diffuses the air.
How's that work?
Oh.
Oh no.
That's a lot to explain.
Oh god, he's only an electrical engineer. Don't ask him that.
But basically, you get better airflow that way.
Nice.
Aerodynamics.
Yeah.
Like an aeroplane.
Yeah, less bad airflow.
So right here, this little last piece of the red bumper, it comes out, and then it'll be this little guy right
Oh
here.
really?
It'll be black.
It doesn't just add on?
No.
Whack.
Wah. We're also gonna make our own tail lights.
Yeah, more on that.
More on that.
More on
So,
that. Enthusiastically.
The idea here is we're gonna do 2 LED strips that run like that.
You designed this.
I'm gonna
Idea.
self-design it, self-fabricate it, and self-install it. It's gonna be our very own.
With the help of
Nobody.
No one's
Especially not
cool
cool.
and futuristic.
Futuristic. We're gonna get a spoiler. Well, it's coming. It's already ordered.
You're gonna get a spoiler.
I'm getting a spoiler.
I'm not.
Well, this is part of
You
the
are.
garage.
You're right.
So we as a community will be
That's why I put a sticker
witnessing
on it.
this. We're gonna wrap the car. If you guys have any color suggestions,
Ooh yeah, good
let
wrap
us know
suggestions.
let us know in the comments.
If anyone wants to design a wrap for us, we'll put it on.
yeah,
Because I was thinking about some gradient style, like sunset, like
introduce us to the.
Oh, part 2.
Listen.
Alec.
All right. This is the 240Z.
What's his?
Plastic surgery done.
She dummy thick.
No Bondo on my car.
That's a damn lie.
It's all real metal surgery.
Bro, when the rust is blown away, what are you gonna fill that area with?
Metal.
You know, weld it in.
Yeah, just cut it out, weld it in.
All right.
That's how it works.
And then you just grind it down to be flat.
Yep. I'm going for a show car.
This says relax. It's not a show car. Pop that up so you remind yourself.
So right now we just stripping out the inside. We got the windows out. door is almost stripped except for like the locking mechanisms, handle mechanisms, so we can keep getting in there.
Almost all the windows.
All the windows except for
Back.
the front windshield are out.
Sides.
Hold off all the badging, the fenders we got sitting over there on the other side. Yep.
It's
Pull
getting
all the
stripped.
Wiring out.
Yeah.
Wiring in this.
It's about how many hours until it gets sandblasted of work?
Probably half a day.
Half a day of work until it gets sandblasted.
So we can take it to the blaster next weekend or the
Yeah.
weekend after.
Ooh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna get blasted.
Gonna get blasted.
Don't look at me. I gotta hold the camera like this.
Nice bit of rust.
Oh, we
here.
saw this already. Ain't nothing special.
You all saw the rust.
We
Is that
saw
a
this.
rock?
We saw. You said,
No,
"Look at
that's
this
rust.
bad boy here." I
Yep.
remember that.
Yeah,
That's a
still
new
for
engine,
sale.
not for sale.
That's the old Engen, and that's the new Engen.
That's correct.
Engen.
Yes.
Yeah, we got the 370Z G37 engine sitting over there. Got to get a transmission for it.
Yeah.
6-speed manual, obviously.
Yeah. We'll trade a transmission for the engine.
Yeah, I'd do that.
I'm sorry I volunteered you for that, but I'm glad you're on
No,
board.
I'd do that.
I would also do that.
I wouldn't.
Yes.
I don't have one of those.
We can steal it.
Dash, when you hit that subscribe, like button, turn on notifications, smash the like button, leave a comment below.
It took us like an hour.
Yeah.
I made it down to like 10 seconds.
Wait, how long was it?
10 seconds.
Yeah,
That's a pretty long time. That's 6, but in a V.
Jesus Christ. I thought it was transforming for a second.
She's a creaky old bitch. Yeah, it's a transformer.
Come back next week for more loud noises. Yeah, stay tuned for the upcoming modifications and customizations of my own BMW E36.
Stay classy, San Diego. Go check out our next videos. We do some more work on my 240Z. It's gonna be dope.